Okay. Hello, everyone. This is day 11 of the 30-day content challenge. And um, the prompt for today is what do I think, or I want to share what I think the biggest mistake is newbies in the affiliate marketing area make. And I can only share what I have as my point of view, from my point of view. Um, I've tried this several times to do this. I've tried it with ClickBank stuff, and I've tried it with other affiliate programs, and never got anywhere. And the things that I think that got me so that I would not continue on or persevere through was uh, one was that I I didn't continue on long enough, and I didn't have the information. There was too much information. It was just everything was coming at you. This coming at you. This coming at you. This coming at you, and you thought I had to buy everything and to use everything. And then the other thing that newbies don't realize is you can't do it. You can't start with nothing. You have to be able to put out some type of money. It may be $50, it may be $100 initially, it may be $1,000, it may be a little more. But you're starting a business, and when you start a business, you're going to have to spend some money. And I knew that when I want to share now that I am in the Home Business Academy. I'm an affiliate. I'm all in, and I did it. This hit me at a point that I knew I wanted to try it, but I didn't know how much it would be. As I went through the funnel, I realized how much I would need to spend. So the commitment I made was I bought the funnel, which is $25 a month. And I bought the premium, and I and then I bought the upgrades to the financial literacy package and whatnot. But I've also bought into the 30-day workday plan, the launch pad, and so I've got a whole array of things, and there's a lot of information there. Again, I'm a newbie, a lot of information, but I can go through that information piece by piece, bit by bit, and learn as I go. And I've got my business up, and I think running initially pretty good. I've made some sales, and I've done some things, and I have some things that are really pretty cool that I want to show you and just talk to you a second about. I'm going to share my screen, see if this is a new thing for me. So I'm going to see if I can share my screen, and we'll go here. And okay, so here we are. This is the back office of the Home Business Academy. This is the funnel, and there's videos to help you set up your funnel. There's also this is the setup, what you need to do, and here's training and some actual questions. And then at the bottom it says live coaching, so you get some help as you go along through this. And if you have questions, you can get those answered. So then the other thing that's pretty good, and this package, the funnel builder part of it is $25 a month. And as an affiliate, then I get back for every sale I make, I make $20 on everybody per month. So that's significant. And then I belong to the premium package, which is, let me show you this. And you get, it helps you get prepaid traffic, pre-traffic, get ready for pre-traffic line. And they're reorganizing this whole back office. So it's going to be even simpler and better for you. There's get traffic free, get traffic paid. Also get conversions, how to convert. and then also live coaching. And there's Monday night, there's a mastermind coaching on Monday nights. There's a daily mindset call. And then Mike Hobbs, who's one of the owners, he has a thing every day where you can look over his shoulder and learn from that. So those are just two areas that are really pretty awesome about this package that are well worth the amount of money that you have in that you would invest. So I just want to tell you to reiterate the two biggest things mistakes are not having any money and being inundated with overload of information. With this system, you can work bit by bit to learn as you go and build your business. And then also the other thing is to know that you have to spend a little bit of money. But with this system, you can, if as you start getting sales, you can start getting some of that flow back in to pay for the cost of the business. So I let me see how I get out of this. Let's see. So anyway, I'll just finish up with that and leave the screen up. I'm sorry. But that's my entry for today. I hope it was some value. I kind of rushed through things. I'm new to this, so I've got to learn, practice, and learning things. But anyway, that's what I've got for today. And I'm kind of really excited about the way things are going. So anyway, have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.